Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create sketch images or change images in Microsoft Word as you see here. And there are many other options. Let's start. You can bring a photo from here. You can bring a photo from device or online. For example, I selected an online picture. Let's select Cristiano or Messi. I select Messi. For example, this image. Insert. Good. Okay. Then from here, also from picture format, here we have crop option. You can crop it if you would like to crop. Good. Then control copy, control V. Good. Now I have this two image. For example, I want to change this one. Just select it, picture format, from color. For example, I selected this one. Also, you have another options. I prefer this one. You see how this image changes to like this. If you found the video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.